Good morning, students. Once again, we are here for our moral science class. Let us learn today Unit 5, Peace Blossoms in Human Heart. The first part of the lesson, you have got 6 brainstorming sessions. For each question, there are 3 choice answers given. After learning the lesson, read the question and think over it, and which is according to your choice the right answer. You can put a tick mark. Now come down to the page Violence Against Women. Is written on the right side, stop violence against women. Yes, we all of us are for it. According to the National Crime Records Bureau of India, reported incidents of crime against women increased about 7% every year. According to the latest data available, a crime against a woman is committed every 3 minutes. A report published by the National Crime Records Bureau compared the crime rates of 1953 and 2014. The report noted that burglary declined by 79.84%, but murder has increased by 7.39% and kidnapping has increased by 47.80. Let us see something about violence. Violence against women and girls is a grave violation of human rights. Violence against women and girls is a global problem. It occurs in every country in the world across all groups and classes, affecting 1 in 3 women in their lifetime. Increasing women's agency and mobilizing women to come together to know and claim their rights is critical in combating violence. This includes providing women only safe spaces, supporting women to become financially independent, providing training on rights and supporting women to take leadership positions. It is local and national women's rights organizations that are best placed to lead and deliver this work. Although women's rights organizations like our partners hold the keys to ending violence against women around the world, there are critically oversubscribed and underfunded. Now let us take the page number 25. Is given on the top, what is peace? We understand the importance of peace only when we face violence, wars and conflicts. It compels us to dream about a world where there are no tensions between people, regions or countries. Peace is not just the absence of war or violence. It is also the presence of joy and happiness. In the picture, very well, it's written by Albert Einstein. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. And Walt Whitman is written, peace is always beautiful. Where does peace blossom? Here, Herbert Hoover says, peace is not made at the council tables or by treaties, but in the heart of men. We should realize that the world can be peaceful only when the people living here are peaceful. The violence in the world is an expression of the inner conflicts of human heart. Therefore, before trying to make the world peaceful, we should make ourselves peaceful. Once there is peace within us, there will be peace in the world. Peace and society. Peace is an important characteristic of a civilized society. We have advanced in economical, industrial, and technological fields, but real worth and merits of a society is measured not just from its external developments, but also peaceful coexistence. Peace is better than war because in peace the sons bury their fathers, but in war fathers bury their sons. What is peace? Peace is a concept or societal friendship and harmony in the absence of hostility and violence. In a social sense, peace is commonly used to mean a lack of conflict and freedom from fear of violence between individual or groups. Peace is when people are able to resolve their conflicts without violence and can work together to improve the quality of their life. Peace, a state of mutual harmony between people or groups, especially in personal relations. Try to live in peace with your neighbors. Yes, in a family, if everything goes on smoothly, accepting and understanding, living one another, there will be peace and harmony. Even one institution, the management staff and students go hand in hand. It will be a peaceful institution. If people live in peace, the world is peaceful. Now in this page number 26, we can see 6 pictures, and on the top it's written peace lovers, war lovers. Let us see what they meant. There were 2 types of people on the earth, peace lovers and war lovers. Peace lovers were fed up with continuous fight, battles and wars. They wanted to end all the crimes and live in peace. On the other side, war lovers never missed an opportunity to attack others. They never wanted peace. Finally, the peace lovers approached a very powerful wizard to stop all wars and bloodsheds on the planet. The wizard agreed to help them. He destroyed all weapons on the earth so that nobody will be able to fight anymore. There was peace on the planet for 3 days. The war lovers looked for weapons, but they couldn't find. Finally, they made artificial spears and sticks and started to fight. The peace lovers were sad. They approached the wizard for a second time. When the wizard heard the news, he said, "Don't worry. I will destroy all the trees and they will not be able to fight." The wizard destroyed all the trees. After 2 or 3 days of fruitless searching for trees, war lovers made knives and swords of metal. They again began to fight with them. The wizard destroyed all metal on the planet. When the metal was not available, War lovers made slings and began to throw stones at each other. It was necessary to destroy the stones too. And then peace lovers said, all trees have disappeared. There is no metal and stones. How to live? What to eat now? There will be no vegetation soon. And we will die without even fighting. No, this is a wrong solution of the problem. The wizard became confused. Then one clever boy said to the wizard, I know what you should do. Let people feel how others perceive their actions. If one person hurts someone, let him feel the same pain. And if he brings joy to someone, let him feel the same joy. So, no one will hurt each other because he will feel pain immediately too and would have to stop. The wizard was convinced and he implemented the idea with his magical powers. Then he returned all the trees, stones and metals, even weapons. Since that day, no one on the planet tried to hurt his neighbors because he would have to feel the same pain too. People began to help each other because they liked the sense of joy they experienced. And they began to live in harmony and joy. Yes, very good story for you all this. All those who try for breaking the peace and how the wizard made everyone to love each other and live in happily. In the page 27, you have got two questions. Peace blossoms in human hearts. Explain. How is peace related to development? We can find the answers and note down. And my thoughts means your thoughts on the subject, on the lesson. Question is, how can we ensure security of women and children in our society? All of us know there is no peace and harmony. There is violence against women and children. So it is asked, you will think yourself, learn the situation in the world, in your locality, and you should share your views and think and write down in this page. Question, how can we ensure security of women and children in our society? Okay, now your first term portions are over. Chapter 3, 4, 5 is completed today. Learn all these chapters well. Read the lesson and prepare for the examination. Examination is on ahead. All the best. Thank you.